The story of the 12 zodiac guardians.
12星座的故事。
Long ago, 12 guardians lived among the stars, watching over the 4 seasons.
很久以前的天空中，住着12位守护者，他们照看一年四季。
Long ago, 12 guardians lived among the stars, watching over the 4 seasons. From the 21st of March, Aries arrived, brave and fearless, always charging ahead 3.
月21日起，牡羊座来到人间，他勇敢无畏，总是冲在最前线。
From the 21st of March, Aries arrived, brave and fearless, always charging ahead. On the 20th of April, Taurus took over, gentle yet strong, protecting the earth with patience.
到了4月20日，金牛座接手，他温柔又坚定，用耐心守护大地。
From the 21st of March, Aries arrived, brave and fearless, always charging ahead. On the 21st of May, Gemini arrived like a soft breeze, 2 clever siblings bringing curiosity and connection. 5.
月21日，双子座如微风般到来，一对聪明的兄弟，为世界带来交流与好奇。
On the 21st of May, Gemini arrived like a soft breeze, 2 clever siblings bringing curiosity and connection. On the 22nd of June, Cancer carried a warm lantern, protecting every home and every heart. 6.
月22日，巨蟹座提着温暖的灯，保护每个家与心。
On the 22nd of June, Cancer carried a warm lantern, protecting every home and every heart. On the 23rd of July, Leo rose like the sun, shining with confidence and passion to guide others. 7.
月23日，狮子座像太阳升起，充满自信与热情，照亮大家的路。
On the 23rd of July, Leo rose like the sun, shining with confidence and passion to guide others. On the 23rd of August, Virgo gently restored harmony, caring for every detail. 8.
月23日，处女座轻柔地整理混乱，他细心照顾每一个细节。
On the 23rd of August, Virgo gently restored harmony, caring for every detail. On the 23rd of September, Libra lifted the scales, teaching peace, balance, and understanding. 9.
月23日，天秤座举起天秤，教导大家平衡、和平与理解。
On the 23rd of September, Libra lifted the scales, teaching peace, balance, and understanding. On the 24th of October, Scorpio walked into the night, deep and mysterious, guarding what matters most. 10.
月24日，天蝎座踏上夜色，他深情而神秘，守护最珍重的事物。
On the 24th of October, Scorpio walked into the night, deep and mysterious, guarding what matters most. On the 23rd of November, Sagittarius carried a bow and journeyed endlessly to seek truth. 11.
月23日，射手座背起弓与行囊，踏上无尽旅程，寻找真理。
On the 23rd of November, Sagittarius carried a bow and journeyed endlessly to seek truth. On the 22nd of December, Capricorn climbed snowy mountains with determination and patience. 12.
月22日，摩羯座进入寒冬，他以坚毅与努力爬上最陡的山峰。
On the 22nd of December, Capricorn climbed snowy mountains with determination and patience. On the 20th of January, Aquarius arrived with new ideas, free-spirited and ahead of his time. 1.
月20日，水瓶座带来新点子，他自由、独特，总是领先一步。
On the 20th of January, Aquarius arrived with new ideas, free-spirited and ahead of his time. On the 19th of February, Pisces held dreams and tenderness, giving the world love and imagination. 2.
月19日，双鱼座捧着梦与温柔，为世界增添爱与想象。
On the 19th of February, Pisces held dreams and tenderness, giving the world love and imagination. And so, the 12 guardians took turns guiding the world through the year.
一年就这样由12位守护者轮流照亮人间。
And so, the 12 guardians took turns guiding the world through the year. One day, darkness covered the land and the world lost its direction.
有一天，黑暗笼罩大地，让世界失去光与方向。
One day, darkness covered the land and the world lost its direction. The 12 zodiac guardians gathered, deciding to use their power together.
12星座聚在一起， 决定用自己的力量帮助世界。
The 12 zodiac guardians gathered, deciding to use their power together. Aries brought courage, Cancer brought warmth, Libra brought balance, Sagittarius brought hope.
母羊带来勇气，巨蟹给予温暖，天秤调和混乱，射手带来希望。
Aries brought courage, Cancer brought warmth, Libra brought balance, Sagittarius brought hope. Forests, rivers, animals, and people all answered their call.
森林、河流、动物与人们也一同回应他们的呼唤。
Forests, rivers, animals, and people all answered their call. The darkness finally faded, and light returned to the world.
黑暗终于退去，世界再次恢复平衡与光亮。
The darkness finally faded, and light returned to the world. To honor their love, the gods placed the 12 zodiac guardians in the night sky forever.
于是，神明将12星座放在夜空中，让我们一年又一年都能看见他们的陪伴。
To honor their love, the gods placed the 12 zodiac guardians in the night sky forever.